Greetings, fellow musicians across the globe. I am Donaldino, the Don, if I should. Now, welcome to episode 0 of the music industry insight. Now, I'm in South Africa, right? And this might, as well apply to you in whichever country you're at. Except maybe for other things that we're gonna discuss, like registering with bodies like Samro, because these are South African, and then maybe you can also do a research, to check how you can make it in the South African industry while you are from other countries. Like, I know our radio stations play American music, they play Nigerian music, UK music, Lesotho music. So, otherwise, let's get into it. Like I said, I'm Donaldino the Don, and this is the Music Industry Insight, where I'll be giving out information to upcoming artists. So I call it the step-by-step guide for upcoming musicians. Now we will be discussing everything from registering with Samro, Risa, Capasso, Sampra. There's also bodies like Talro and Echo, which I never really hear people talk about them, but we will discuss them as well, to see if they are important to you or not. And besides that, we will also be talking recording, we will be talking music video shoots, we'll be talking endorsement deals, record deals, we will be talking producer versus composer, we will be talking distribution, publishing, PR, we will be talking marketing, we will be talking royalties, we will be talking performing, we will be talking quite everything. If I have forgotten something, mention on the comments so that I know to make a video on that. Now, this here is just an intro. I'm letting y'all know that we are having this show, Music Industry Insight, where we'll be giving this information. Like on submission, we will be talking, I'll be giving out emails to these radio stations, and also other TV stations for music video submissions or audio submissions. So just make sure that you subscribe to this channel and share the video with your fellow musicians so that they don't get to miss a thing. Like, this applies to everyone across all genres. So long as you make music, this is your show. So make sure you subscribe so that you don't get to miss a thing. It is what it is. Now, I am not an expert. First of all, I am not an expert, but I have been doing music from 2006, so it's like 14 years of experience. And then so now I want to share that knowledge with you, realizing that there's a whole lot of artists. Like, I know artists that have been doing music maybe way before me, or for 10 years maybe, and they are still not registered with Samro or Risa or Sampra for that matter. So I don't know if it's laziness or they don't have the time, because sometimes, yes, as a musician, you got to focus on making music. That's why you need a manager, that's why you need a distributor, that's why you need a publisher, that's why you need PR, all these people around you, so that you make music and they handle the paperwork and other stuff. So I guess it's maybe because of that. So I'm only trying to help. Like, I personally know artists that don't have this information. I don't know why, because the internet is out there. All you just got to do is search Samro and you'll find everything there. I don't know why you still not registered. Otherwise, we'll get to it. It is what it is. Now, first things first, you have to make up your mind that music is what you want to do. If music is what you want to do, and if you haven't subscribed, do that now. And don't forget to share with your fellow musicians, guys. Like that's the first step. You have to make up your mind. You have to decide that yes, music is what I want to do. Music is what I want to eat from, and then you take it from there. Now, the second step would be that you got to be willing to spend money. Come on, guys. It's 2020. You cannot still be downloading instrumentals and expect to blow up. You can't still be doing that. You can't still be, trying to negotiate the recording fee. These people work hard. Equipment is expensive. You got to pay. You got to be willing. If you can't pay for a recording, then what about PR? What about PR? Come on, guys, you got to be willing to spend money. This is business. That's why they call it the music business. You have to spend money. You have to invest on your craft. For you to make money, you have to spend money. It's like that. It has always been like that. Not just in music, but in every business, it's like that. You cannot just expect to make it out of the blue. You have to spend money. Buy beats. Buy instrumentals. Stop downloading. Because now, copyright strike. And then you don't even know what's copyright. We're gonna have to discuss that as well, so that you know the dangers of maybe sampling or using somebody else's instrumental. We like a whole lot. And I think the other thing is that you got to forever practice, guys. You have to make sure that you become better all the time. Like your next song should be better than your previous song, and the next song you're gonna make after the next song should be better than the next song you're gonna make, if you get what I mean. So let's get into it. Music industry inside. I am Donaldino the Don, Blackish Blue TV. It is what it is. Let's help each other. Don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, share, so that we are on the same page from here on. Peace. I'm out.